Hey everyone, happy Friday. I'm getting ready to head out the door and quickly doing my makeup. And we've been focusing on the Flawless in 5 this week because it's such a great set. It's $144 for 5 products, which breaks down to 28 bucks per product. Great deal. So the first thing that you get to choose is between our Skin Twin Foundation or our Dew Skin. And normally we're Dew Skin. I'm actually gonna pair the two to get together today, and I'm gonna try Cider as our cream blush. This is, again, the second product that you get to choose in the set, and this is kind of like a peachy color. I've never actually worn it, so I'm gonna try that today. The next thing you get to choose is eyebrow pencil or gel. I'm gonna use the medium pencil, and then you get the Think Big mascara, which is wonderful, and then I'm gonna wear Bare Shimmer for lip gloss. So I'm gonna do this and then I'll show you the end result.
Bye.
Okay, I'm applying the foundation and I just got this tip as I was learning more about the Skin Twin Foundation, but I use this beauty blender from Beautycounter, and when you put it under water, it multiplies in size like 3 times. It's giant now. Squeeze out the water, and then to apply the foundation, what I would typically do would be like pat it on my face and kind of like rub it in, but they suggested to put it on your blender. And you guys may know this. I don't know all of the like tips and tricks for foundation because I don't wear it very often, but they said you just want to pat it into your skin. And I have never applied it this way, but it looks so nice and natural instead of kind of like pulling at your skin. Jack was asking me about foundation. What'd you say, Jack?
Foundation is also used for roads.
He said, wait, is it foundation what they use for roads? Yes, it's true. And then for a tip for the cream blush. So because it has a lot of good natural fats in it, it may be kind of hard at first to get the color off onto your finger. So what I do is I take a little bit of time and kind of rub my finger on it and let the warmth of my skin warm it up. And I will pat into the skin, again, not like just kind of pressing and blending. You can make this as pigmented as you want or, as sheer as you want. Ooh, I like this color though. This is Cider, kind of a peachy pink, really pretty.
Can I tell them something?